back to Nebula Tech News. Today I have the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I'm doing this video a little bit differently. We're just going to unbox it, go over a couple of quick things, and then we're going to jump right into our battery life test. So this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, 45mm black titanium color. It looks really good upon first view. It's really shiny. The band is super soft. It's pretty thick. I'm seeing that already, but otherwise it looks pretty good. The only thing that came in the box with it aside from paperwork is a USB Type-C charger. It does have fast charging enabled this time around, which is pretty great. So that's why we have the USB Type-C for that fast charging. And if you buy it from Amazon, they actually do give you this pretty cool, super fast wireless charger duo, which I think is really nice. You can charge your phone and the watch on there as well. This watch is super duper thick, but they did add advanced sleep tracking. So since I'm going to be doing my battery life test, I will be wearing it at night. They changed the sensors down at the bottom, so they're a little bit more curved for more accuracy. I'm really looking forward to that in this test. And we have a 590 milliamp hour battery, which is the reason I want to do this battery life test. So it's 1.6 times bigger than the previous versions. So I'm going to charge this thing up, and I guess we'll see how much battery life we can get on this Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Alright, so we are going to throw this on the charger. Right now we are at 91% battery life. Obviously we're going to charge up to 100% before we start our test. Alright, so we're at 100%. For some reason it shows only 10 hours left of battery. That must be some kind of error or something, so we'll redo it. Alright, so we are at battery life test day 1. It is Friday the 26th and 5:57 p.m. as you can see here too. And right there, 100%. So we're starting off and we'll see how long this brand new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro battery life lasts. It's supposed to be 1.6 times bigger than the previous models, so we'll see how much we can get. Alright, so it's 9:20 p.m. It's only been a little over 3 hours, but we are at 97%. I haven't been super active today because I've been editing some videos that I'm working on and just doing a couple other things, but we're only down 3%. Alright, it is 11:02 a.m. today. We are at 88%. I did end up sleeping with the watch on. It wasn't as uncomfortable as I thought it would be. I really thought that because of the size, it would be like impossible for me to sleep in, but I did end up sleeping with it, and we only lost a little bit of battery life overnight, so it's looking pretty good. Alright, just to do a little check-in, we've used 17 hours and 10 minutes of battery, and our watch is showing 3 days and 7 hours left. Please don't mind the dirty phone. We've got fingerprints everywhere, but we're looking pretty good. Still have tons of time left. Alright, 5 o'clock, we're at 82%, still looking pretty good, only dropping a little bit of battery at a time. So 30 minutes later, I'm still at 82%, which is the only reason I recorded this. I just think it's pretty interesting that we're really not dropping battery that quickly. It usually drops every hour, maybe more so than that. So it's looking pretty solid so far. I'm impressed. Alright, it is 8:32. It has been about 3.5 hours since our last check-in, and we're only down to 80% battery life, which means that in those couple of hours, we only dropped 2% battery life. So I am out for the night. We're doing a couple things, running a few errands, so we'll see what we're looking like when we get home. Alright, at 9:45 p.m., we are at 79% battery life. My dog insisted on getting some pats since I was out all day, so we've got a little bit of doggy coat in the background, but 79% after a full day of wear, and day 2, it's not looking too bad. Alright, it is day 3. I forgot to do my morning check-in, but it is 2:35 p.m. and we are at 67% battery life, looking good. 4:30, we've only lost 2% battery life, so we're at 65%. For some reason, it keeps disconnecting from my phone. I'm not sure what's going on. Alright, it's 7:33. I am at 63% battery life. Still not home, so we'll check in a bit later. Okay, so it's 11:03 p.m. and we are going to bed with 60% battery life. I am going to wear this to bed again. I'm going to try to wear it to bed every single night that I'm doing the battery life test, just to get a very accurate reading of how much battery you're using with pretty much most of the features. All right, we're on day 3. It is 8:18 a.m. and we still have 54% battery life. I'm pretty impressed because it's been 3 days and we still have half of our battery life, so it's looking good. All right, it's been about 12 hours since our last check-in. It is 9:09 p.m. and we are at 40% battery life, so we're going to bed with 40%. Welcome to day 4. It is 9:03 a.m. We have 21% battery life left. I wore the watch to sleep again like I always do, and I'm doing a few workouts today, so we'll see. A quick check-in of our Galaxy app. We have used 4 days and 3 hours, and it's still showing 1 day left. All right, we are on day 5. It's 8:04 a.m. and we only have 16% battery life left, so I think we're gonna have a dead watch soon. So it's 8:06 and I just got the 15% battery life alert. I'll put that up in the next video. So we got the battery low, turn on power saving. I won't be turning it on for now. A quick app check-in shows that we have used 4 days and 15 hours and that we still have 15 hours and 35 minutes remaining on our watch battery. Right, 4:25 p.m. today. We are at 8% battery life. I haven't been super active today, so it's not using up a lot of battery, but my step count is wrong compared to my Fitbit for some reason. 7:40 p.m. We are at 6% battery life. My step count is still wrong. I wore a Fitbit today too, and I got almost double the steps counted on my Fitbit than I did on this watch. I'm not sure if something in the setup could have done that, but we're at 6% so far. I anticipate the watch is going to die sometime soon, probably before bedtime. All right, the time has come. We got the battery very low warning. It's 7:50 p.m. That means we're at probably 5%, so the watch is definitely going to die at some point tonight. I'll just wait and see tomorrow what it's looking like. So the watch officially died at some point earlier tonight. It's 7:55 right now. It's officially dead at some point. I don't know what time exactly, so I will have to plug the watch into charge so that I can check. All right, time for our final tally. I did end up getting 5 days and 1 hour of battery life out of this watch. It ended up dying, so I did have to plug it in just now, so that's why it says 18%. But we got 5 days and 1 hour of total usage before the watch died on us. So this Galaxy Watch 5 Pro definitely lived up to my expectations battery life wise. I did just charge it up again because now we're moving on to our second battery life test, which is going to be the extreme battery life test. We're going to turn on all of our features, including always on display, and then we'll see how much battery life we get. I also wasn't super active this week because I had a lot of work to do just on computer and at my desk. But next week, I will be going to the gym regularly. We'll see if that takes a toll on our battery as well. For this battery life test, I did use the same exact settings that I use on all of my other ones. I'll put those down in the description below just because I feel like it's a lot to go over on video and I've done it plenty of times before. So that'll be in the description down below. If you guys liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave any questions that you have down in the comments about the settings that I use or anything else. And make sure you catch the next video. I know a lot of you guys love the always on display, so make sure you catch the next battery life test with always on display turned on. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.